Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on how I achieved this look, but a little bit about this hair. This is WigginsHair. Everything about the hair will be in the description box below. This is a 13x6 lace front wig. It is a pre-made wig. It's HD lace and it is 24 inches. As you can see, I cut the ends so it can look nice and evenly cut. I don't have a bra on, ignore that. But this is their straight bundles and it is 200% density. I absolutely love this hair. I am always skeptical of pre-made wigs. But after this wig, I'm gonna have to take some pre-made wigs. Like, they gonna have to keep them rolling because this wig, honey, is bomb. I love this hair. So it's really soft, really soft, and you know, I just feel like a princess. But I really like this hair. It's bomb. So far, so good. It does have a little bit of flyaways, but other than that, the hair is pretty good quality. So I'm not gonna talk too much. I'm just gonna get straight into the video. I don't even want this to be too long, but I just wanted to give you guys a quick little brief information about the hair. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, and don't forget to follow my Instagram, PESSIEXO. Thank you so much, everybody that has subscribed to my channel. I appreciate it so much. I literally started with 0 subscribers and my account, my page is growing, my videos are growing. My videos are getting out there, and I am so grateful for everybody that watches me, that likes my content, that even dislikes it or says mean things, whatever. But my supporters especially, I really appreciate everybody that watches me and actually supports what I'm doing on YouTube. I hope this video is helpful for you guys, and let's get into the video.
Rocco did it again. Rocco did it again.